Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to explain about time intelligence functions. So here I am calculating the current sales and last year sales. So last year sales measure is used to calculate the total sales of the same period in the previous year. So these we have to use the same period last year is a so it is the time intelligence function. So in Power BI, it is used to compare the current data with the last year same period. So this function works with the date columns and so it returns a table of dates shifted 1 year back. So mostly used in sales and revenue analysis, it helps to identify year over year growth. So used inside the calculate function. So here you can see that we are using inside the calculate function and so requires a proper date table for accurate results. So commonly used in reports and dashboards. So for example, so here we have data here. So you can see that sales data. So we have to calculate the sum of the sales amount and so we have to use the same period last year for the sales of date. So date column in the sales table. So just I'm showing you practically. So here I am finding that current sales and last year sales for this data. So I'm going to Power BI desktop. So this is the Power BI desktop. Just load the data from Excel file. So you can load data from any source. So just I am taking from the Excel file here. So just open that. So the data is loading. So here we have sales. Select the sales and go to the transform data to remove the null values. So this is the Power Query editor. So by using the Power Query editor, so we can remove the null values. So click on the drop down list and so unselect the null. So here we have OK. Then click OK. So after that, you have to use that first row as headers. So it will show the column names as headers. So then close and apply you have to use. So click on that. So the data will be loading into the desktop. So see that? So we have loaded that sales data. So now I'm calculating that current year sales and last year sales. So just go to the new measure. So I'm calculating that current year sales. So see that? So current year sales and last year sales. So click on the Power BI desktop. So take the column name as current year sales equals to so sum of the sales amount. Then close. Enter. So I have calculated that current year sales. Now I am calculating the last year sales. So again you have to take the measures. So when we perform sum and average, minimum, maximum aggregation functions, you have to take the new measures. So because why? Because so it will not store the data into the actual table. So just take the new measure. So I'm calculating that last year sales. So last year sales equals to, so you have to use the calculate function. So take the expression means sum, so sum of the sales amount. So then so use the same period last year. So here you can see that. So take the date column from the sales table. So in the sales table, take the date column, then close. enter. So see that we have calculated that last year's sales. So now I'm going to visualize that current year sales and last year sales in the clustered bar chart. So go to the report view. So in the report view, we have visualizations here. So here we have filters and our data here. So I'm taking the clustered bar chart. So select that current year sales and last year sales. So see that. So current year sales and last year sales. See that current year sales and last year sales. So when you mouse over through the visualizations, so you can see that so this is the current year sales 13,700 and this is the last year sales 6,200. So I have calculated two current year sales and last year sales. So remaining we'll discuss in next class. So this is all about time intelligence function. So thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.